My name is Begoña Castro, and I am the scientific director of HISTOCELL, that is a regenerative medicine small company located at the Basque Country in Spain. There is really an unmet clinical needs now, that is the wound healing of chronic wounds. So this is a very disruptive project where we are going to develop personalized wound healing dressing that is going to be applied and is going to activate the wound healing process. We are a company that we have developed already a product for wound healing, complex wound healing. So we have the experience from the development of a product to put the product in the market. So we have faced with the different phases that this constitute. So we, in one part, we are going to advise in the project in any of the phases that constitute the development of a new product, but also we are going to analyze the different prototypes in the project regarding the biocompatibility or the feasibility of the products to be applied finally in the patients. From HISTOCELL, we think that we can also provide the feedback from the clinicians, and we have a deep knowledge in wound care process. So we are going to contribute to design a product that could be applied in the clinical scenario. I think that I'm participating in a very disruptive project, and it's the first time that a product has the objective to be active in every phases of the wound healing. So for me, it's a very, very good opportunity to implement also new techniques that are appearing now in the technology of the wound care.